Hey everybody, Troy here with Fields Family Cooking and Outdoors, and we're on a little road trip this weekend to go see our daughter, and we always wanted to pull over here. We're on Route 66 and we stumbled into the Uranus Fudge Factory. Quite the place. If you need some ice cream, it's homemade and hand dipped. Interesting. More stuff in Uranus. Boost to boost. The Uranus Fudge Factory General Store and the ice cream company. And I mean, how many times you get to see a strange museum on a road trip? And if you're missing a pair of balls, you can return them here. We got the Uranus City Jail. And if your Uranus needs a tattoo, you can get it here. This is a pretty funny place.
You write your name on it. Oh, yeah.
Louis King always says, everything you need is in Uranus. Say, the latch is stuck on the door here, and my legs are plumb fell asleep. Can you help me? Have you